I think our first year we packed 350,000 meals. Last year we packed 4.2 million meals. And in 7 years we've packed close to 10 million meals with thousands of volunteers.
Beginning in her basement in 2015, Realtor Heather Griesser LaPierre created the Philadelphia chapter of Kids Against Hunger, an organization that packages nutrient-dense meals to help feed the hungry.
We package dry food and then send it to where it's needed most. So we send it abroad, we send it locally. We have shipped food to Haiti, Nepal, Nicaragua. We sent over 250,000 meals to the Ukraine.
Вітаю, друзі! Ми зараз знаходимося на гуманітарному хабі Рівне. Мене звати Іван Сівковський. Я багато з ким з вас абсолютно не знайомий, але приїжджай до нас, будемо разом досягати перемоги.
But 90% of the food that we pack here all stays local. So we send our food to different community food banks and food pantries.
Those bags are amazing. The Kids Against Hunger food, it helps us tremendously in order to feed over 250 families a week.
When we package food, we bring in teams of volunteers. We typically have 30 to 50 volunteers per 2-hour shift. We work in an assembly line, scooping the 4 separate ingredients into funnels, and we walk them down the line, and then they get weighed, sealed, and then boxed up, and each box has 36 bags. Each bag feeds 6 people, so it's 216 meals per box. Whenever we have a box packed, we ring a bell, everybody cheers. It's a fun place to be. We have kids that want to keep coming back because they know that they're part of something bigger.
I've done this probably 20, 25 times because I get to help a lot of people. It means a lot to these kids who get it.
And we often say that we're feeding 2 types of hunger. We're feeding the hunger of the families and the individuals that receive our food, but we're also feeding that inner hunger of giving back.
One, I'm packing the meals that I know are going to go to somebody that can use them. But the other side of the coin is it feels great to do it. I don't know anybody that leaves here without smiling.
We always say you come in as strangers and leave as friends. I walk in those doors and it's just, I have a purpose.
That purpose drives Heather to do whatever it takes to feed the hungry.
We organize the shipping, the receiving, making sure that we have all the ingredients for the meals, the setup, the prep, driving the 26-foot trucks. I am the only one comfortable enough to drive the truck, and so it's me. We gotta feed people and we need a truck, and all right, I'll jump in and learn it.
You know, the world needs more Heathers. She goes to bed thinking about it, how she can help other people because she has big goals.
Our goal is to pack 1 million meals a month.
You guys have 14,040 meals packed so far tonight.
Communities need people like Heather to say, this needs to be done. This is what we can do if we work together.
I feel like when they get that food, they know that somebody somewhere cares enough about them to want to help.
She does not want any child or any family to go hungry.
I believe that there's kindness in everybody. And when I see this room filled with volunteers and everybody keeps coming, I just feel like I have a bigger purpose here, and I feel like I have a meaning in life. And I believe that I am where I am today because of this place.